All right, quick hamburgers into the bowl. Sriracha. Shifty's classic seasoning. Again, I like to mix stuff up from the start. Put my stuff inside there. Oh, that Shifty smells good. More sriracha. More Shifties. Again, you can get this Shifties on Amazon. It's very good. It's good having friends that tell you about other things. Alright, so that's that. I'll say GoPro, stop recording. Alright, making burgers. I think we're going for 1/3 of a pound here. Okay, so I moved the bowl and I kind of got them basically even-ish. And one burger. 2 burgers. Oh. Try that again because I messed up. All right. Out of the way. 3 burgers. There we go. They look pretty when you use something like that. We're getting ready. There are the burgers. Some more Shifties on top. I'll put these suckers on. Alright, and those are gonna cook. Alright, as you can see, it still steams up nice. I'm gonna try to be patient. Oh. Yeah, that's looking good, huh? All right. Too soon, too soon. All right, gotta flip. That one got a little scorched. Alright, we're gonna do something here weird in a second. GoPro, stop recording. I know a lot of people do this. I've actually never done it before. These are pineapple slices. I'm gonna grill one of them up. Just one, and the rest are gonna go into a container for other use. I'm gonna flip it. Woohoo! Alright, we're gonna turn this off. Time to do some flippage. All right, I've never made these before, but these are just throw them in the microwave. That side, 5 minutes. And that's gonna be the veggies to go with it. Can't be a burger without a smiley face. There we go. All right, burger time. Oh yeah. All right, let's go eat. Potatoes out of the steamable bag. They're fine. Burger time, burger time. That burger is fantastic. I gotta take a second bite. Oh, I got some good spice in there. I got a little heat to it. But I didn't get much of the pineapple in that bite. That works, that's good. All right, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. Stay safe. All right, time for the second part, burger. Not even gonna bother grilling that. And I'm gonna go and get the rest of the veggies in a second. First, we're gonna put the lid on this sucker. No smiley face on this one. And whether you grill the pineapple or not, it's pretty good on a burger. I wouldn't do it every time, but I had them, so I did it. All right, now have a great and wonderful day. I'm not gonna show you eating the third one. There's just no point. All right, YouTuber's gonna do some cooking. Those are mushrooms that I cut up. And we're gonna put some olive oil in there. And I'm not using all of these for this meal, but I'm gonna use some of them and then save the rest. We'll come back, mushrooms cook. It's a wonderful process, and we'll move on to the next thing in the video. Okay, I've forgotten to start to show you this, but I'm gonna cut open this pepper, and we're gonna use this too, hopefully. All right, then we'll cut this part out. I washed it, clean that up, clean this up. Okay, now rinse this other half out and we'll move on to the next thing. GoPro, stop. All right, unplug this and scoop these out. And here's what I got. All right, and I got some pork sausage, and I don't know why I keep doing this because I'm using my cooktop here and put a couple of those in, start cooking them. But I have a whole stove, so I could use more than one pan at a time. But I'm gonna cook up that sausage. So there we go. That's done. I'm gonna take those out, clean up the pan a little bit. We'll move on to the next thing. All right, eggs. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. Pepper. Plug it back in. And in go the eggs. I don't know why I'm making this. It just popped in my head to make these strange things. And we're making eggs. Nothing fancy yet. Alright, now we're gonna put some of those mushrooms in. Probably good. Alright, that's probably good. We're gonna put that sausage in. Keep letting this cook. Looks like I probably could have used a 4th egg, huh? We'll make this work. More pepper. Fresh ground pepper. Alright. Alright, now it's time for cheddar jack. Because, you know, cheese. Oh, yeah. Okay, now it's time for those green peppers. Just gonna warm them up a little bit. I'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, here we go. Gonna turn this off. Gonna take these out. Listen to Rich Eisen. Draft's coming up. Good thing to do with breakfast. All right, here we go. Sriracha. And just why I thought of doing this was getting a little crunch from the green pepper. You know, not cooked. I thought that could be kind of cool. So, here we go. That's good. That works. Something a little different. There we go. There's a little bit of everything in there. That's good stuff. You can cook stuff that's a little bit different and have some fun with it. Do a flyover. Seriously, stay safe out there, stay healthy, and have a great and wonderful day. All right, there's a pasty. This is a veggie pasty, and this lockdown's getting to me. I'm trying not to talk too much about it, but I really want to get back to Marquette. I only have 3 left. Alright, so put that down. Again, I put aluminum foil on the bottom, so cleanup is super easy. Put a little spray on it. In goes the best pasty I've ever had. And a doesn't take too long. Well, it takes 45 minutes to cook in this. It cooks at 350 for 45 minutes. And the way it goes, I'm gonna zoom in there. It's a beautiful thing. And they are awesome. So I'll tell you what they put in these. The filling has broccoli, cauliflower, celery, onion, rutabaga, carrots, green pepper, potatoes, mushrooms, cheddar cheese, and cream cheese. And it's a wheat flour crust. Yummity yum yum. All right, we're getting close. Now I also bought the amazing sauce they sell. The Kickin' Pasty sauce from G&K's. It is fantastic, but I don't really like it on the veggie ones. I like it on the beef ones, so I'm just gonna eat this plain. All right, we're within a minute, and it's gonna go on this plate right here. I gotta get back to the U. No, Keek, you can't have pasty. No pasty for you. Okay? All right, it's done. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off gently, because these are fragile, these domes. And I'm going to let it cool for a little bit, because it's been in there for 45 minutes at 350 degrees, and it's going to be hot. All right, it's time for the flyover of the awesome G&K's pasty. They are fantastic. I'm running low. Have a great and wonderful day. Stay safe.